It has arrived. Hi, I'm Angela Wolf, fashion designer and online instructor, and today is a very exciting day in the studio. I've just received the Brother Luminaire. One of the newest sewing and embroidery machine offering some amazing technology. Get this thing out of the box. This is exactly how the box arrives. Cut off the plastic. There's one piece of tape across the top that needs to come off, and don't use your fabric scissors on this. If you look closely on the box, it tells you 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the order of how you should take everything out of the box. The first thing I'm going to take out is this box here. And the second box. And the box with the machine. Take the foam out. And remember to check the back side. It looks like part of the machine and the foot pedals on the back. Here it is. So here we go. This is very exciting. The next step is to go through and take off all the tape. Oh, I can't help it. Here's the button. This will make it so easy to change my needle plate. I love the new color and the matte finish. There are two needle plates, one with the single hole and one with the double. and the embroidery attachments. So I've taken everything out of the box. Make sure you didn't miss any of those hoops. There are a lot of them. And I love this new box. To get started, plug it in and turn it on. Now that's a beautiful display. So get everything out of your box, get it all laid out, and in the next video I'll show you how to set up the embroidery attachments. Again, I'm Angela Wolf. For more sewing tips and tutorials, be sure to visit brothersews.com and angelawolf.com. Until next time, happy sewing.